Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samsung Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to fix report opinion not showing in your audio. You want to report a problem and you want to report and it's not showing. In this video, I'm going to actually do that. Not too much of a time. Let's dive right to the video. For example, you want to go to this post and you are clicking on and you are not seeing this option of reports. Not report here. So the thing is to go to your profile. First, make sure your TikTok is on the latest version. You need to go to your Play Store and update your TikTok. Next, you are coming back to your profile here and clicking on your three line icon and clicking on settings and privacy and clicking on notifications. Here you are making sure all is turned on, lost like mine. You can see even the report option is turned on. If yours is off like this, that means you can't report a problem, so you're going to be turning it on. So once that is turned on and you are still having that problem, you can still go back to your settings and privacy and scroll down gently till you get to report a problem. Report a problem. Here you are going to be reporting Repost. I'm going to report to TikTok agency that the Repost option is not popping out on your TikTok. So you are going to be scrolling down and click on report. Here you're going to be clicking on report an account. So here you're going to be clicking on no. Going to be clicking on no and clicking on need more help. Clicking on here you're going to be talk that your repost option is not popping out on your TikTok. Reports, but open your options is not. So here you are going to be typing in something like this. Reports option is not showing in my TikTok, please help me. I'm going to be telling TikTok to help you fix that, and TikTok is going to help you fix that problem. So that is it on how to fix repost option not showing in your TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video. See you guys in the next one.